Hello friends, welcome to Hamari Pathshala. This is your English class.
I am Mimi and she is your friend
Jimmy.
Jimmy. So today we will learn about prepositions. Let's start.
English Pathshala.
Some prepositions we use in daily life.
Wow! Cat. Preposition is in.
Cat is in the box.
The cat is in the box. Wow!
She's so cute.
On.
The cat is on the box. The cat is on the box.
Correct.
Ooh, wow.
Behind.
The cat is behind the tree.
The cat is behind the tree. Woo! Under.
The cat is under the table.
The cat is under the table. The cat is
Under the table.
correct. Woo! Between.
The cat is between the boxes. The cat is
Between the boxes. Woohoo! In front of. In front of.
The cat is in front of the box.
The cat is in front of the box. Yay! Above.
The cat is above the boxes.
The cat is above the boxes. Woohoo!
She's playing a guitar.
Near. Near.
The cat is near the box.
The cat is near the box. Beside. Beside.
The cat is beside the box.
The cat is beside the box.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like,
Share and subscribe the channel. Bye.